Hello and welcome to the 9th video of the Karel programming course. In this video, we're going to be learning about recursion. Recursion is an advanced technique, and you're going to be using it in all of the puzzles in the following levels. Make sure, if you're stuck, that you look through the textbook and check any hints if there are any. So, to begin, this looks like a pretty simple puzzle that you could normally solve with a repeat loop. So let's take a look at this puzzle here. It looks like a fairly simple puzzle, where we would just type repeat, input go, and how many times we need to get to the home square. But we're not going to use any repeat or a while function in this video here. So what we're going to do is make a function called go home. So in this function, we're going to put if not home, go. Then we're going to call the function go home. What's going to happen is if we call go home, Karel is going to move forward and check if he's at home. And if he's not, he's going to do what he previously did and go forward and check again. And he'll keep doing this until he makes it to the home square. So what we're going to do is we're going to call go home. And now let's take a look at what happens. And Karel went home. Now let's take a look at a more complex puzzle using recursion. So this maze looks a little bit more complex. The goal of this maze is for Karel to pick up the coins and place them in the boxes and then make it to the home square. And we still can't use repeat or while in our code. To start, we're going to define the function stash. Then we're going to do if not home, get left, go, put, right, go, and then we're going to call stash. Now, if we look, Karel doesn't start on top of a coin. So what we're going to have to do is add a go at the beginning of our program here, and then call stash. So now, when we do that, let's watch what happens. So as we can see, Karel made it to the end. But it may be better to look at this step by step to see how it really works. If we start, first, Karel moves forward, and then we call the function stash. So in it, first, he checks if he's not home, and since he can see that he's not, he gets the coin. Then, Karel turns left, goes forward, puts the coin in the box, turns right, goes forward, and now we're at the end of the stash function, so he calls stash again. So now, once again, he checks if he's not home, and since he's not, he does it all over again. And this keeps happening until Karel makes it to the home square. So, hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and you should be able to solve the following problems. So, as always, good luck.